Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by choosing a clear niche and audience for your blog. Decide who you help and what exact problem you solve. Research 3 competitor posts and note gaps you can fill. Create a 3-step content plan that lists topic, outline, and publish schedule for each post. Set realistic post length goals, usually between 500 and 1,000 words for foundational pieces. Plan a consistent publishing rhythm of 1 to 2 posts. Begin each post with a clear 1-sentence value proposition for the reader. Follow with a short introduction of 2 or 3 sentences that sets expectations. Break content into short paragraphs and use headings every 150 to 300 words for scanning. Add one actionable checklist or a step-by-step section that readers can follow immediately. Use simple language and active voice to keep reading flow steady and make ideas easy to implement. Optimize your post title and meta description using a primary keyword phrase. Include that phrase naturally in the first 100 words and in a heading. Share each new post across 2 social platforms and send it to your email list if available. Encourage one clear call to action, such as subscribing or downloading a checklist. Track performance monthly using simple engagement metrics and adapt future content to what your audience prefers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.